Hello children, I am your teacher and today we are going to do general knowledge. Okay, so please take your general knowledge book and let us see which topic we are going to learn today. So children, today we are going to learn about water. Okay, about the importance of water, how water is important for us. Okay, all living things need water. Water is important for all of us. We get water from many different sources. So water is very important for us. Without drinking, even without a drop of water, you will be tired. You all know that we should drink lot of water to be healthy and energetic, right? For your health to live, you need water. And water not just for drinking, we need water for many other things. So water is important for all living things. Okay, so you know that water, you can see water, we get water from many different sources. So here you can see picture of different sources how you get water for your daily use. Okay, it can be from different sources. So which are the sources? Let us see. Okay, so the first picture you can see clouds and drops falling from them. What is that? Rain. Okay, so from rain, rain gives us, rain is a source of water from where you get water, from which you get water. You can store water from rainwater and you can use it. Okay, rainwater harvesting is done. That is the water that from the when it rains, all the water is collected, then that water can be used. Okay, in future. Then there can be lakes. Okay, lakes is you can see from in lakes also water, you can see water, and from that lake water is used by, means other animals drink water from lakes, and also we people use those water for daily uses like drinking and all other uses you need water for. Next, ponds also, from ponds also we take water when we need. Okay, then here you can see well. Okay, wells are made by we people. Lakes and ponds are natural things, and rain also. Okay, but we people, human beings make wells. Okay, dig deep holes. Okay, in the on the land, and wells are made. Okay, and see these walls are constructed, and you put buckets are tied to ropes, and we pull water from down in the well. Okay, well is also a source of water. From wells water is taken for daily use. Then you can see rivers. So these are all different sources of water from where water is taken for different uses. Okay, so what are they? What are the sources of water? Rain, lake, pond, well, and river. So your house also you can see from where water is. Just ask your parents, from where does this water in our tap come? Is it from a river, or is it from well, or is it from any lakes? Okay, you can just ask your parents and you can find out. Okay, so this is about the sources of water. Okay, now let us see. We use water every day for doing many things. So water, we just don't drink water. We need water for many other things. Okay, those are given in the. So water is not used just for drinking. Water, see, you can see the picture. Here you can see in the picture, water is used for many other things. Here you can see picture, this boy is taking water from a filter. So water is used for drinking. Okay, then here you can see mother, and mother is cooking something. Okay, and she is pouring water into the vessel, and the vessel is kept on the stove. That means she is doing some cooking. Okay, so for that also water is used. So what are they? Drinking water, you need water, and cooking also. Then bathing, okay, you take bath, okay, and bathing also you need water. Then washing the utensils, all the vessels, you also need water. And here you can see cleaning the floor also you need water. Then growing plants, when you grow plants, if you have a garden, there also you should water the plants, otherwise the plants will dry off. So these are the different uses of water. What are they? Drinking, cooking, bathing, washing, cleaning, and growing plants. Okay, so here it is written, you have to stick a sticker. What is it? I am being put to good use. I am being put to good use. Now let us see the stickers. So here you can see, here the tap is open and water is overflowing, and here you can see a filter, and whoever the person is taking water from the tap and open the tap and closes it. So which is the a good thing? Is it that wasting water over here and here taking water to drink? Which one is good? This one. So take this picture. Okay, let's sticker. Okay, then that you will stick over here. I am being put to good use. So that water is being used for drinking and the other water is wasted. So which is being put for good use? You will stick the sticker of that filter with, you can see a glass of water being taken from the filter. That sticker you will stick over here. Okay, now you have a song here. Water, water, water all around. Please save every drop that's found. Never let any of your taps run. Turn them off as soon as you are done. Wasting water does no one good. It's something no one ever should. You should never waste water. Water, water, water all around. Please save every drop that is found. Don't waste water. Save every drop of water. Never let any of your taps run. Taps run means just opening the taps and water just going out without being used. Okay, turn them off as soon as you're done. After your use is done, you should turn off the tap. Wasting water does no one good. It's something no one ever should. Okay, so this was about water. Okay, next day we'll do some activities related to it. Okay, till then, bye children.